Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Creative Zen Hybrid 2. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on the power button. So just press on it and as you can see I play the song. If I press again I will pause the song. Now you can increase the volume by press on volume up button what look like a plus right here. So just press on it and press again and I increase the volume. And to lower it just press on the minus button. So again press and press again and it works. To play next track just press and hold volume up button. Here we go. And to play previous track just press and hold minus button. Here we go. Also we can let's open the application and I will show it to you here. Now we can enable ANC mode or ambient mode by pressing ANC button. So I'm just press here and I turn off it. Then if I press again I will enable ambient mode, and if I press the last time I will enable ANC mode. Also if you press two times you will enable or disable low latency mode. 1, 2, and now I disable it. 1, 2, and I enable it. Cool. Also, if you press and hold ANC button, you will call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So just press and hold. And as you can see, Siri is awake. The last time, you can answer the call by pressing one time on the power button. So now I press one time and I answer the call. If I press again, I will finish the call. Here we go. And you can reject a call by press and hold power button. And as you can see, it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.